In this video, I'm going to show you how to put Google Adsense onto your website. Google Adsense is a contextual advertising program that Google run, and you can recognize it on websites where you see something like this where it says ad choices, or sometimes it says ads by Google here. And basically what happens is somebody pays Google to put advertising on your site, and then every time somebody goes to your site and clicks on their ad, you get paid a small sum of money by Google. And Google AdSense are very easy to set up. You have to sign up for Google AdSense, and you come to this page here. It's quite a long URL, so if you simply type google.com/AdSense into your web browser, or do a search in Google for Google AdSense, you'll be redirected to this page. Now if you haven't got an AdSense account already, you can sign up on this page. Just click here on the button that says sign up now, and they will want your website URL, and this is the primary URL that you have on your website, and the language, and you have to agree that you won't place ads on sites that include incentives to click through, and you won't put your Google AdSense ads on pornographic sites. So let's just set that up now. Okay, I've got all this done already. You have to agree to everything and then submit the information. Okay, you get directed through to this page where you need to confirm all your information, and then it says which best describes you have an email address and password from a Google account, and that you don't use other services. Well, I already have a Google account, and I'd like to use my existing Google account for AdSense. So click there to sign into your Google account, and we'll just sign in, and there we go. That is all set up now. Now, as it says, the application will be reviewed within about a week, and during that time the Google AdSense ads that you set up will not display on your website. If it shows anything at all, it will be just a public service announcement. But what I'm going to do in this video is show you what it would look like. Okay, once your AdSense account has been approved, you'll be able to log into the main AdSense website, and then you can start setting up some ads. What you'll do is to click on the tab here that says My Ads, and then click here where it says New Ad Unit. You need to give your new ad unit a name. I'm going to call this one Ad Block 03, and then you need to set the ad size and the ad type. Now there are various types of ads that you can have, various different types of ad types and ad sizes, which you can see here in this link. If I just open it in a new tab, the most popular types of ads are display ads and text ads. And the text ads look a bit like this. You've got various different types of ad which you can have. You've got the leaderboards and banners, buttons, half banners, skyscrapers. These are the ones you can put down the side of a blog. You've got rectangles, vertical banners, and so on. All these different types. And then there are the display ads, and these are graphic banners. You can see here have all these different types of banner. They're the same sort of size as the regular banners. You've also got video ads. These are fairly new innovation, and these play videos when somebody comes to your site and clicks on the play button, and again you don't have quite so large a selection. In fact, there's only two sizes that you can have. Then there are mobile ads, and these are slightly smaller so that you can see them in a web browser or on an iPhone and that sort of thing. And as you can see, you can have either graphic or just ordinary adverts. And the final one here is link units, and link units are just blocks of links. There's no advertising slogan or anything like that on these. Okay, now the ads that they're going to show actually come from Google's AdWords program. This is where people will select an advertisement, and they are the ads that show down the side of a search in Google. If you look down on the right hand side of the screen next time you do a search in Google, there will be all sorts of advertisements listed, and the ads that they're going to show as part of their Adsense program comes from the same stock basically. Okay, let's set up an ad block. I'm going to have the standard size here, which is a 728 by 90 leaderboard. This is the size in pixels, but you can select other ones from the drop down menu. And then backup ads. Now this means if they haven't got an ad to show in your particular type of ad, because the way that AdSense works, it goes by the content of your website. It shows things they take from your keywords and from articles and other things that are on your site. So what happens is Google software will scan your website, scan your web page, and see what's on it and show ads that correspond to that content. If they haven't got anything that corresponds to the content, you can either show a blank space, you can show other ads for another URL, or you can fill the space with a solid color. I'm going to have it fill the space with a solid color. You can create custom channels to keep all your ads together. I'm not going to do that for this demonstration. And then you can select the ad style. You can use the Google default style, you can have the classic grey style, high contrast, black or white, or modern white. Or you can customize the settings by clicking on this button here, and then you can set the border, the title, the background, and so on, so that it corresponds with your website, so it can be seamlessly integrated into your site. I'm going to leave everything at the standard settings. So now I'm going to save that and get the AdSense code. And this is the AdSense code, and it is a JavaScript. So just highlight that and then copy it to your computer's clipboard. And we're done here. So I can now go ahead and log out. Okay, here's how you put it into your website. I'm going to show you how you put it into a simple HTML website, and the software that I'm going to use for that is called NView, which is a free HTML editor which you can download from this site here. And I'm going to paste this into the source of the website, into the HTML source. So I'm going to click here on the source tab at the bottom, and your Google AdSense code needs to go in between the two body tags. or if you're having it in, say, a frame or something like that, then you will paste it into that particular area of the site. Okay, let's just paste this in, and that's that. Now obviously there is nothing on this website at all, so I'm just going to put in a couple of meta tags and a few other things to give Google an idea as to what sort of ads I would want to be shown on this site. There we go, I've decided to make this a dog training site, and so now all I need to do is upload it to my website. And there we go, there's the ad now displaying in my website. As you can see, it's showing a graphic ad. So there you go, that's how you can sign up for Google AdSense and integrate an AdSense ad into your website.